Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET TV. We get a chance to go over to StarCar and see the building of a Dodge Journey. It's not a vehicle that's normally used in law enforcement, but this particular customer had a need for it. So now we go over and see how the guys are building it. So Travis, you got the front end off of this Dodge Journey. Has that been pretty straightforward to take down?
Pretty easy to take off. A little tricky getting the brackets made for these.
Okay.
But I managed.
You managed?
I did.
So Austin, they're mounting the radio equipment underneath the passenger seat. Is that the game plan on this particular vehicle?
Yes, and the remote head will be in here with the microphone.
So what do we got going in the back?
In the back, we have the split vertexes in the bottom of the hatch, and those are recessed in so they will clear the door here in the bottom.
Right.
We have the light bar in the rear window.
So Travis, you had to do some additional work inside here.
Yeah, I had to relocate the horn from up here down to there so I have clearance for my ions up here.
Okay.
Need a custom speaker bracket, drop it down there. And I had to make custom, no place to put the brackets here, so I had to custom put screws in there to hold those brackets on because
There's no support
no
area.
mounting points.
Yeah. Also, you tinted the light as well, correct?
Yes.
We're going to join Chris right now because the vehicle has been completed and he's going to take us on a little walk around. So Chris, take it away.
Thank you, Stuart. The installation footage that you put together from looking over the guy's shoulder, getting those insider tips and how the process is done, well, it looks absolutely fantastic. Quite a journey that this has gone through from stock to what you're seeing here. So with activation of the pursuit switch, that is the whole lighting package. Of course, it can be separated with rear only and front only. But starting up here, hidden away behind the tint on the headliner, the Feniex Fusion in a dual color. 180-degree optics on the outer modules, a 40-degree optic on the inner, so that way we have focus and stretched out output. Nice vibrance between the red, blue, white flashing. From SoundOff signal, the intersectors down here under the mirrors, and the guys did a wonderful job at making them hide away with a smoked finish over the clear lenses. And the wedge that they used, that helped with getting the angle on this just right, so that way the light level with the horizon versus going down or going up too high. Moving upward, tucked away here behind the front grille, the Whelen engineering and the ion light heads. On the outer side, blue to the driver, red to the passenger, and the innermost, those are set with a white wigwag tying into the ULF 44. Neat feature that those do, along with the white in the Feniex Fusion overhead bar, is they fully turn to white steady burn, so that way for nighttime, nice illumination mode you have with the push of a button on the controller. The red and blue dual color from SoundOff signal continues from the intersectors back to the side third rear windows with their red-blue dual color nFORCE line. Whelen engineering Vertexes nicely mounted into the reverse light and turn signal section of the tail lamps, and taking care of lighting in a nice 8-head format, SoundOff signal and the UltraLITE. Although the Vertexes and UltraLITE get lost when the hatch goes up, we gain the benefit of the Vertexes in the red-blue split. So a nice trademark from the guys here at Star Cars when it comes to SUVs and keeping safety lighting nice and visible to the back. The UltraLITE has also been tinted over, so that keeps the clear lens from shining through the back windows. Brackets, straightforward and simple, so that keeps it uptight against the headliner on the back of the window. And in the back, well, just stock trim. A Feniex 4200 Mini takes care of this simple switching, independent control of the front lighting, rear lighting. If those are turned off and you activate pursuit, that's what we've been demonstrating. Full lighting control is on. Main power for the system, takedown mode, activating the white override of the interior bar and front ions, and siren control up here for Whale, Yelp through hands-free, and momentary for the air horn. Well, as you can see, all the work that the guys have put into this and all the little touches that they each have for the areas that they've worked on, well, it's turned out absolutely beyond the expectations we had. One of my new favorites for the installations that they've put together. And so you can stay up to date with us on the newest of installations and products and news, become a subscriber and make sure to like. Again, I'm Chris. Back to you, Stuart.
Well, there you have it. The building of a Dodge Journey 2019 is the year for that particular vehicle. And Chris gave us a walk around. The gang at Star Car built it, and you folks are the ones that watched it. Thanks for watching SIRENNET Television. I'm Stuart.